back to another edition of Garrison Box, and today we got the sci-fi box from nerdblock, and let's get into it. Do mystery pick as always. Let's see what we got in here, guys. Here we go. Looks like we got Star Wars, Star Trek, and Doctor Who as well. So we got the TARDIS, we got Star Trek, Star Wars. So that's the DJ. Nice, honest, very nice. Got all sci-fi stuff on there. So let's get into the next thing. We got some Star Wars socks, ankle socks. I don't really wear ankle socks, they wear like long socks. We got different patterns on each. We got Stormtrooper, more Stormtroopers. Let's get into the next thing. Let's see what this is. It's has a magnet. That's very cool. I put that on there on the refrigerator. If I remember one of these, use the press button I use to talk to you. And stuff like that. Very nice. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, sorry, big. Let's open it. Right, so let's get into it. We've got the bobblehead, Pathfinder figure, Doctor Who, the 10th Doctor. There we go, guys. Very nice, I'll go with my collection. So it's very nice in it, guys. And let's see what we got in here. Hopefully, these little things. We got a Star Wars pen. There's a torch as well, guys. It's nice, isn't it, guys? Oh no, it's saying out. Oh, there we go, guys. Can you see that? There we go, guys. Shined out one of them. We can go up here. Oh, there we go, guys. You can see it kind of. It's like red on the background. Okay, guys, don't showing us so much, but it's showing us kind of see the red. So right, guys, let's get into the next one and see what we got. We got some of our Firefly. Got any of those, guys? We got the girl. Let's get into the next thing. Ooh, there's something else in here. There's something in it. We got a Mad Max Fury. Mad Max. It's a comic. guys. Yes, that's all of it, guys. Let's see. The next one is Star Wars Futurama, Star Trek. We got that. It's exclusive. We got the t-shirt, sci-fi t-shirt. We got the figure from Firefly. We got the magnet. Got the Star Wars socks. Got the pen. There you go, guys. You can see it a bit better now. And we got the exclusive arm. And right. Let's put it all back in. Here we go, and let's recap what we got. Got the Mad Max comic. We got the Firefly figure. We got the Star Wars pen. We got the magnet. We got the socks. We got the bobblehead, the intended bobblehead, and we always finish off with the t-shirt. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More boxes be on its way. Another 2 after this. We got the Japan crate and we got Universal Yams. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More be on its way. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to smash the share button. Comment if you like to. And ask me anything you want. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.